Hello, hello. So today I wanted to just talk about making a to my future husband journal. Um, I've been trying to do different journals and stuff, and I saw the idea on Pinterest, and I loved it. I was like, "Oh, that's cool." So one of the main ones that I really did enjoy seeing is this one. It's called 10 Things I Included in My Husband's Journal. So the 10 things the lady said was one, prayers for him. Writing down a little prayer for your future husband. Of course, we don't know who the person is at the present time. So she suggested that you just write and express your feelings. Pray for that person. Whoever God may have him to be, encourage him to stay strong in his journey to finding you, different things like that. And then the next one she says, prayers for self. Single life can have its ups and downs. Sometimes you be like, yes, I'm glad I'm single. Sometimes you be like, hey, it'd be nice to have someone by my side. Whatever stage you in, just pray about it. Just pray that God continues to grow you. If he has a plan for you to get married, pray that he just keep you content in the singleness that you're in so that you will be ready. You won't be just searching. Searching just it gets you nowhere. And then the next one she says, prayer for us as a whole. 4 is scripture verses. 5 is marriage quotes. 6 is marriage advice. 7 is advice for raising kids. I think that was a good one because nowadays, a lot of relationships bring in other kids, a blended family. She might have some and he don't. He might have some and she don't. They might, both have some, or they might make some before going into the marriage. It's good to plan ahead. It's like I don't want somebody to accept my child as their own coming into the marriage. I couldn't marry somebody just because he loves me, because it's not just me. It's me and my child. So I thought that was a really good point to write about. Letters and love notes was number 8. Number 9 is a list. I kind of felt like 8 and 9 was kind of tied together, but she said 9 is list. Um, she says write down ideas of places you would like to go, things you would like to do with him, cute names you might discover, and a few other things. So that was what she described in the list section. And 10 was premarital vows. And it's so funny because I had kind of did that already. You just writing them out, expressing your feelings as they are now. Over the time, you might write them again, or you might add to what you already have. It's good to express because this is telling yourself this is what I'm expecting my husband to bring my way whenever he comes, if he comes. It's not saying, okay, he's going to be exactly this person that I'm describing in these words, but the characteristics that you're writing about, he could have. You can be preparing your mind for what's to come. That's how I saw it. So I was like, wow, I kind of did that. I thought it was cool. So for me, in my journal, I just went and picked up a little 3-ring binder from Target. I found them at Target and Walmart. Like I said, I've been doing a lot of different journals. This one came from Target. I want to go back. They had a gold one at the time. I didn't have this set, so I didn't know that's what I wanted. So I'm gonna go back to get the gold one. But this came from Hobby Lobby. Awesome! Hobby Lobby is the place to go when you trying to be creative. So it's called um Happily Ever After. Happily Ever After. It was $8.99 plus the 40% off. So it was really reasonable. And it includes pages like this. What are these pages called? scrapbook pages. I'm new to all this creativity stuff, so I do not know all the names yet. But this is, it came with 5. So it came with 5, 2 each. It was 5 different designs. So 5 different designs, 2 pages each. And then came with a pack of stickers. Pretty much used all my stickers, but it came with a whole pack like this. Then it came with letters. I used all my letters, so it came with sticker letters and some other little stickers. But this is all you get. Letter stickers. Letter stickers. The other stickers. It comes with a lot. I loved it. It was like, oh, I'm in love. So then, what I did was I took one of these papers, folded it in half, and drew out the start of my heart. So then I just cut it and it created my heart. That's the part. And then, like I said, these stickers came with it, Mr. and Mrs. Happily ever after, and the little rings. Gotta forgive me. I'm so new to this camera thing too. Anywho, so that's the front of my page, and it's gonna look so good when I get it on the gold binder. But then inside, I started the pages. So what I did was I took the clear inserts. Also can get them Walmart, Target. That's all I've seen so far. They didn't have them Hobby Lobby, but they're out there. Wherever you see these journals, you should see these. They just clear little packets. Clear packets, just like this. So then I took my pages. Once again, I used these pages, folded them in half, and then I just trimmed them to the size of this. So each one paper creates 2 blank sheets. And on my blank sheets, I added my little stickers. So it says, "Together forever, to my future husband." To my future husband. Yes. And in this section, I plan on writing, what number did she say it was? Number 8 from the 10 list. Letters and love notes. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. I'm sorry. Rewind. This is going to be, I forgot that fast. Oh, yeah. It's the love notes. So the love notes is going to go here. Things I just want to be able to talk about with them. And then on the back, I just added some more stickers. Groom, newlywed, cherish, stuff like that. And then the next section is going to be for 1, 2, and 3 of her 10 list, which was pray for him, pray for self, pray for you as a whole. So I put groom, bride, husband, and wife prayers. Groom, bride, wife, and husband. And then in the gold letters, I wrote prayers. So I knew I didn't want to do like a ton of different sections because a lot of it to me just tied in together. So I just made one section for all the prayers that I was going to be doing for us. And on the back, I did our big day. Yes, it's going to be magical. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be God-filled love, full of joy. And in the next section is for the children. Yes, I love children. Children are everything to me. So as you can see, I started to run out of the gold letters. So for my aura, I used some little drills to make the R. It also came with a little packet. I used the drills. I'm like, oh, that's a different little touch. It's cute. So it says, "Together forever, kiss, adore, cherish children." This section I'm going to be talking about, things I want to see him doing with my child and things I would consider doing with his child, and us being a blended family, loving one another as our own. And then the next section is marriage quotes. Honor the rings. That is what I plan on doing. So, once again, I started to run out of the letters for my E and my S. So I just took the little dots, the little dot stickers, and finished my E and my S. So marriage quotes. The marriage quotes and list is going to go in the same section, but that's what I did. And the last section is bride vows. Bride vows. I have to buy some more letters, so it is not completed. That's why I was like, what is this? But as you can see, it says bride already. And I'm going back to Hobby Lobby when I get a chance to get some more gold letters and put bride vows. Like I said, I already started my vows, so that's going to be fun to write over. Like I said, just add to, be creative. But that is my journal so far. Everyone would have a different journal. I've seen so many different ideas, and I just fell in love with the 10 because it's like it was so specific. It's like, this is what you want, this is what you're looking for, this is what you're discussing, because it's not necessary say, oh, I gotta have it. It's, if this happens, when this happens, I'm thankful for it. I prepare for this. Just because I don't know who you are yet, just because I'm not engaged, just because I don't have a set date for a wedding, does not mean I can't prepare myself to be the wife I want to be, the loving stepmother I want to be, all the different things I'm expecting from my husband. And I love the ideal. I can't wait to complete the ideal. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put pink. I bought pink. I love me some pink. Pink filler paper. I'll just show you real fast. It's going to be this kind of paper. And that'll be where I can write my different stuff. Just be creative. Just do you, be artistic. Everything is all on you. This was my ideal that I wanted to share because on Pinterest, it was telling us the reasons why they did it. Sweating what they did. But nobody ever really, showed the necessary example. So it was like, that's such a good idea, but how do I do it? Well, here's one good idea, and it all cost me, give and take, about $20. That wasn't that bad. Something I can do forever. If it's a year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, however many years it takes for me to find Mr. Right. And then another thing, they were saying that once they did get married, they presented their journal, to their significant other. That was their gift. And I was like, wow, that would just be so amazing to just look back and say, honey, I knew you was coming. I knew God had made you for me. And see, I got you to the T. This is you from the very beginning. Hope you enjoyed. More little ideas to come, because this was kind of neat. And if you enjoy, click like and subscribe.